Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can delete cards on Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, there is no direct way to delete a card, at least not through this menu right here. However, there is a bit more of a convoluted way in which you can permanently delete them, which I'm going to show you right now. So the first thing we're going to have to do, as you can see, I have a list with one card in it, and I'm going to right click on that card and go into this menu and click on archive. You can also click on the card itself with left click, open up the entire card view, and then just archive it from here. And as you can see now, once it's archived, you're still in this view. You have the button to delete here. However, if you right click and then archive and it's gone from here, what you're going to need to do is go into the three dots over here, then go into archived items, and then locate whichever card you want to delete. In my case, I'll delete this one. Just click delete, or I'll delete this one. Click delete, and as you can see now, that card is completely gone, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.